Hey guys, welcome back to Question. And today's, I promise this is not set up. I have no idea what's going on. My mom came to say we're going to do an unboxing video. And she said to sit out by the hay bales with my back towards the door. I have no idea what's happening. And I actually got a scared. I think I might swing for a little. The hay bales are hokey. So I'm just going to sit here. I'm wearing this. I got mud all over it. Don't know if y'all can see, and on the back of my shoe. I don't know if y'all can see that, because I was swinging and I dragged my foot on accident, and all this dirt came out. But these aren't like my favorite shoes though. And my new pants that I got yesterday, and they're all filthy with mud. So, yeah, I have no idea what we're doing, but I'm wearing matchy because I got this at Target. I'm scared. This is like out of the ordinary because this is nothing to do with horses. I'm scared. I'm an ant. I hear her coming. I'm scared. I have an ant in my shoe. Well, I thought I did. I'm scared. Are you gonna take over the camera?
Yep. Can you switch it around and close your eyes?
You have scissors.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You can open it.
It's the new color of LeMieux. So LeMieux came out with 3 new colors. Kiwi, the one I have right here. There's all the matchy. This. Yeah. So they came out with 3 new colors. Kiwi, the one I have right here. And it's in the dressage because my saddle is both. It's all around. And they came out with 3 new colors: Wisteria, Kiwi, and Mist. Thank you! I love it. So let me take this out of the package and I can show y'all. Because it's like a lime green, and my mom knows I love lime green. This one looks like the one that Esme has because it has the shiny square. That's what the dressage ones have, the shiny square. Ow. It's humongous. So that's what it looks like. They actually have a jacket that's this color. Love it. Here. Here's the ear bonnet. And the kiwi. Oh, yeah. That was a satisfying touch. Okay, so here's the ear bonnet. I like the hangers that they come in. Ooh, the ear bonnet's nice and huh? Look at that. Lush. He's gonna look jelly bean. He's gonna look so smart. The ears. My finger. That's stuck in it. Ooh. Side victories. And these are the new colors, and they might sell out fast because they're pretty nice. Here's the base layer. And again, it has the stitching.
I think that when you open it, I think that's
maybe, probably, yeah. It looks like kind of like the hunter, not really though, but I literally sat myself down with my phone, looking at all the LeMieux colors and studying them. Remember that? Here is the now base layer color. That was big. That's huge. What color? I mean color, size. I know what color this is. I love this color. I love it. And last but not least, footy. Your socks. And I've never had the LeMieux ones, but on the LeMieux ones, on the black part on the foot, it says LeMieux. So, pretty nice. I saw footies and I was like, ooh, avocado footies. Is this what was under the bed? Last night I felt something. I was like, what is this? See, the LeMieux. We're having bad winds, and we might have really bad storms.
So no riding today.
Definitely no. Wait, I just realized what's so funny. This is kiwi, I think. And I got the kiwi color.
Exactly.
The sun's decided to come out.
Yeah.
And look, you can really see on the dressage pad. Dang.
Oh, you're welcome, my loves. So maybe next time you ride, you can.
New saddle pad.
Yeah.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.